In today's video, we're going to check out the world of media kits and 6 important features to include when creating your own. A media kit is a collection of information about your brand. It includes key details such as an about section, contact channels, statistics on your brand, and more to give visitors a well-rounded idea of your mission, what you have to offer, and why users should care about your products or services. Traditionally, media kits are used by journalists and other content creators to write articles about your brand without having to contact you directly. However, they're also helpful for initiating partnerships with influencers and other brands looking to advertise their products or services. Media kit formatting varies widely. Some put their information in bullet-pointed lists, while others craft beautifully designed graphics and elaborate with multi-page documents. We'll check out some examples throughout this video, but with that said, let's get into 6 key components to include. Number 1, share your brand's story to draw readers and sponsors in. An about section is key to any media kit. This provides writers with details to share about your brand and potential partners with information to help them decide if you are a match. You'll want this section to be informative, engaging, and concise. Number 2, offer up some high-resolution images. This is a good way to add a personal touch to the page without taking up too much space. Additionally, these images will be useful to anyone looking to write a feature on your brand. They'll have access to photos they have permission to use without having to get in touch with you. Plus, you can shape how your brand is portrayed online by pre-selecting acceptable images. Make sure any elements you make available for sharing are high quality. Number 3, present statistics to showcase your brand's success. When looking for brands to work with, statistics that show high levels of traffic and user engagement can be a big draw for influencers. Incorporating data can demonstrate why you'd make an ideal partner. They'll also be valuable for showing off your success in any content created about your brand. Number 4, incorporate testimonials as social proof. While they're definitely not a requirement, they can come in handy. Journalists can use them to incorporate quotes from happy customers in their articles, for instance, and they also provide some social proof for demonstrating your audience's satisfaction with your brand. Number 5, post your sponsorship guidelines to weed out bad fits. You may want to incorporate how often you expect influencers to post about your brand, what kind of content you're willing to pay for, and who your target audience is. This can help discourage those who aren't a good fit from proposing brand deals to you. And finally, number 6, include your contact information. Make sure to include the best methods for getting your attention somewhere in your media kit. This is especially important if you want partnership and media-related inquiries sent to a specific email address or via a certain contact form. It's also wise to include your social media channels, at least the most popular ones. Writers and influencers can share these links with others to help send more traffic your way. And there you go. Now we know about the world of media kits and 6 important features to include when creating your own. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.